Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. Boiled egg versus omelette. Which is healthier? Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, vitamins, and healthy fats, but the way you cook them can impact their nutritional value. Let's compare boiled eggs and omelets in terms of calories, protein, fat, and overall health benefits. Number 1. Boiled eggs, healthiest for weight loss and simplicity. A boiled egg is one of the simplest and healthiest ways to eat eggs because it doesn't require any added fat for cooking. Low in calories and fat, a large boiled egg has about 70 to 78 calories and 5 g of fat, most of which are healthy unsaturated fats. High in protein, provides 6 g of high-quality protein, essential for muscle growth, recovery, and satiety. Nutrient-dense, contains vitamins B12, D, A, and choline, which support brain function, metabolism, and liver health. Easier to digest. Since no oil or butter is used, it's light on digestion and ideal for people with acidity issues. Best for weight loss. Since it has no added fats or extra calories, it's great for calorie-restricted diets. Downside, some people find boiled eggs a bit bland, and they might not feel as filling without other ingredients. Number 2. Omelette, healthier when made right. An omelette can be a nutritious option, especially when made with healthy ingredients. However, the calorie and fat content depend on how it's cooked. More nutrients, adding spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, or onions increases fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. More filling, due to added veggies and sometimes cheese or lean meats, an omelette can be more satisfying than a plain boiled egg. Great for muscle building. If made with multiple eggs and cooked in minimal oil, it's a high-protein, energy-dense meal. Higher in calories and fat. If cooked with butter, cheese, or excess oil, the calorie count can rise to 200-400 plus calories, which may not be ideal for weight loss. Unhealthy additions. Avoid excess cheese, butter, processed meats, like sausages, or too much oil, as they can make an omelette high in unhealthy saturated fats. Which one is healthier? It depends on your health goals. For weight loss, boiled eggs, low calorie, no added fats. For overall nutrition, veggie omelette, more fiber, vitamins, and flavor. For muscle building, omelette with extra eggs and lean protein, more protein and energy. For digestion issues, boiled eggs, easier on the stomach. Best option? A healthy omelette made with minimal oil and loaded with veggies can be just as nutritious as a boiled egg. If you're looking for the cleanest, simplest option, boiled eggs are unbeatable.